We want to start out with our base plate insert. When we're engraving so we protect the base, place your material below the beam so that it can auto-detect the height. Next, we go to the xtool Studio to auto-measure. It's loading, and then we'll get our measurement here soon. Auto-measuring. Focusing is successful. We're going to refresh the image. We've already uploaded our file from image R. So we'll just be placing it on our bottle. What I've selected for material from the xtool Studio. Material settings is soda, lime glass whiskey decanter. Applying those settings gives you some default settings: dot duration 500, power 85, DPI 600, 1 pass, 40 Hz frequency. Jarvis bit map mode. And the standard bi-directional engraving mode. I'm just going to scoot it over just a touch. Now we process. Our estimated time should be about 3 minutes. It shows 4 minutes. 4 minutes is good. We'll hit start. Now we will send it to the machine. Four minutes total time processing. We're about 1 minute in. This is a live speed video of the actual engraving. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you want to see next. Photo was taken fairly low light, indoors, inside the Metropolitan Cathedral, Buenos Aires, downtown Argentina. So it will be pretty incredible details being captured. From a Pixel 8 XL Pro phone camera, I am excited to see the finished product. About 45 seconds left in this engraving. All right, let's take a look.